Your truck's looking good, it's running good, it's stopping good, but until your interior is nice and comfortable, it's just not done. You're going for an original look on your 69 to 72, you're not going to be able to find this in an upholstery shop. These here are dielectrically stamped in at the factory, just like it was at the GM factory. Then everything is sewn together by hand and made sure that it's going to fit nice and tight and proper. This is marine grade vinyl. It's going to take the sun, it's going to take the punishment. Now take it from me, I've installed a lot of these seats. They're not that hard to install. They fit on like a glove and they stay on. So you want to get comfortable, you want to finish off that truck, you want to look stock, you come on down, you get these right here, you install them in no time at all. You make sure you check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to the YouTube channel because I'm making these videos every single week for you guys so you can get your trucks back on the road and looking good when you're there.